Hello YouTube, check this out. Look how much Wichita has rained. That right over there is a drainage ditch. Over there, that's a flooded road. And I totally went through that flooded road like a fucking boss in my Jeep Commander. I'm filming with my iPod Touch too, I'm sure you can notice. Kinda lost steering because my belt was just slipping like crazy. That was fucking freaky. Here, I'll take you over and go through the water with you. How about that? Will that make you happy, YouTubes? Oh, I'm here with my buddy, Chad. He's scared of the camera. See, we're fixing to go through the water. What? It can hurt the car if you go past through it. See this? Look how fucking high up water that is. See that? Look at that. Look at that. Fucking acting like a damn boss, and damn it, I lost steering again. Fucking belt's spinning like crazy on there. Look at that. That is freaking crazy. Look at it, all the buzz almost up to the axles. Thank God I have that right there, Jeep. Look at that. That is just fucking crazy. I've honestly never seen this. It didn't even look like it rained that much today. This is fucking wild. Look at that. Look at that. That's fucking crazy. I mean, look at this, folks. Look at this. Look at that water.
Man, that's like up to the rim.
It's up to the car. It's freaking crazy. We haven't seen rain like this in a long time here in Wichita. I think God's blessing us. Well, anyways, hey, keep on subscribing, watching, and being awesome fans. Look at that water. Look at that water. Look at that. It's all the way up to the freaking bottom of that bridge. I'm going to make one turn here, and then I'll sign you off, okay? And damn it, my steering, goes off right here. Fucker. Okie dokie, watch this shit right here. And, fuck, never mind. Okay, bye-bye, YouTubes.